Sorry. Okay, someone was texting me. Okay, today we're gonna make some scrambled eggs. Put that down. You're gonna need a bowl, some tongs, some eggs. I'm gonna use hard-boiled eggs. A thing to scoop up the eggs when you're done cutting them. That's why you're gonna need a knife. And put you back down. No, you don't want people to have some germs. My family might have some germs. First, we're gonna take this off. So we're gonna need to cut the egg.
Those fingers.
Then we cut them in half. You can hear my dad in the background.
Watch those fingers.
Yep. If you're a child, you can do this, but with guardians watching you, guardian or a parent to make sure you're to do it. So you'll be okay. But I'm really good at cutting. Get that? Next one. I'm super thick. I mean thin. So I wonder how good this will taste.
Don't use them all now. You make an egg salad, is what you're doing?
Nope.
Scrambled eggs, you can't scramble those. That's already cooked.
Okay. Oops. Just take that. Okay. Do you want the yolk down a bowl? Okay, so that.
That's good. Ice cream does save, huh?
Yep. I'm hungry. Bored. Okay. Got all the top. Okay. Well, that's not enough. We're gonna need some more.
Don't use them all. I want to save some for lunch, okay?
Okay.
Thanks, bud.
Welcome.
Love you.
Come back here. Okay. So isn't this thing for like scooping the things off of the?
Or did you put it on the cutting board first? Then you cut on top of that, and you pick that up and use it to scoop. So I'm gonna scoop things off the counter, off the cutting board. Watch this. All right.
Okay.
You try another tool. Back for a second.
Okay.
There you go. Scrape and pour.
Oh.
Scrape and pour.
Okay.
Here you go, huh?
Who's bored in the house?
Everyone.
Not everyone. Some people can't be. Some people aren't bored. Well, a lot of people are.
Everybody.
That's, he means about like a lot of people, everybody. You know how a lot of people say that's impossible and then someone does it? They're saying that's like hard. It's just an easier way of saying impossible. Because that's like that's really, really hard. Or that's super, 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 super hard. You know those big bottles? The big water bottles?
Mm-hmm.
So one time I actually capped it when I was flipping bottles.
Wow. That's crazy, homie.
Oh. I literally cut off all the yolk. Warning, do not try this at home if you're a kid. If you are a kid, you need supervision by a parent or guardian. Again.
Just in case.
Yeah, because you might cut yourself when you're cutting the eggs. So that's a good. Now we mix it. Sorry, hold the camera more. We're mixed. Okay, now it's time that we put it in a mic. So I wonder what this looks like. Oh, that was 15 per second. Yeah, I'm gonna need a fork. Where is it? Doing the tactic that Alex taught me to cut it. Time to
Drink and then I'm set to go.
nope.
Get Daddy's white eggs.
Oh come on. I'm trying to record. Oh, this is hard. Can you hold the camera so I can mix it? I do have to cut this video, which is
Like a little trick on how to mix it easier?
no.
You sure?
Oh, that looks good.
See?
My dad is helping me mix the eggs, and if you actually mix it right, you can actually. This looks pretty good.
Baby, since you like buying so much.
I changed my mind.
Egg salad now?
Nope, we're gonna make a egg salad sandwich.
Alrighty then. Well, let's get a little mayo. Actually, we need to add some mayo and some salt and pepper. A
Okay.
little sweet relish.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the salt. Okay. So first you get the relish. Put a little bit of that. Bypass your spoon so you can get more.
No, you get mayo.
More stuff, I meant. That's a lot of mayo. Just get a lot of mayo. 2 scoops of mayo. Then add some pepper. And pink. We're gonna use a pink salt.
Pink Himalayan salt.
Not sponsored. Close it before it expires. Okay, cut. No, stop. Okay. Mix until well combined, and then you cook it, right?
Nope, no cooking. It's already cooked.
Yeah, but you have to cook it first, so
Oh, yeah.
cook in
The
for
egg's
like
already cooked.
10 seconds.
Oh, nope, don't have to cook this at all. This is ready to go. Matter of fact, you can sample this if you'd like. Bite. Is it good?
It's my first time eating all those together. I didn't expect it to taste that good, actually.
Of course, egg salad is the bomb diggity.
Now we put it in the bread. Mmm.
It's like a slice of cheese.
Then you're gonna put the lettuce on the other side. Actually, no. Wait, before you do that, we need the lettuce.
That's spinach.
Okay, stop. Wrap it with lettuce. And if you want, you can add some tomato.
Would you like tomato on yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show them how I cut them.
Now let me cut the tomato first.
No, I can.
Please let me cut the tomato.
Oh, I will. It's my channel.
Yeah, but James, this tomatoes are really easy to mess up. What's wrong with this tomato? It's like speed up. Damn it. It's not good. Speed up.
Oh no. Sad tomato. I got this baby knife.
Nope.
I can do it.
No, tomatoes are very difficult to slice, buddy. Trust me.
Okay, gonna need a parent or guardian. Can I throw that piece?
Yep.
Grab it? Okay. So, I'm gonna show you how to eat it. Made it right into it. Yeah. Yes, okay. There. I actually made it! The first time it was a lie.
Good, buddy.
That looks good.
Here.
Okay, right now. I don't think I heard the first part. So, okay, so I'm gonna take the first bite. How this tastes? Not bad.
Not bad.
Try it. You guys try it at home.
I'm gonna eat it without the bread.
Actually, tastes super good.
Like that. Mmm. Cool tomato and the.
Well,
Is that for today's show?
but I still have to do more videos in one day.
Okay, well, I'll pause it then.
Make sure you like and subscribe and watch every single video and tell everyone to watch these videos and subscribe and like. And tell your friends to tell their friends to and keep on going with that.
Say what you want.